Most people think you need a big business to make money online, but will 2026, AI tools are making it easier than ever to earn $100 a day. Today, I'll show you 5 AI tools anyone can use to start earning money right now. Tool number 1 is Opus Clip.
It can turn long videos into viral short clips in minutes. Thousands of creators pay editors for this. You can charge $10 to $30 per clip. And tool number 2 is Leonardo AI. It creates studio-quality images for business owners. You can sell product images, digital posters, or t-shirt designs for $15 to $50 each. Tool number 3 is play.ht.
It creates ultra-realistic AI voiceovers. Tons of YouTubers and businesses need voiceovers. You can charge $5 to $20 per minute. Tool number 4 is Beehive. It lets anyone start a newsletter and earn with ads. If your newsletter grows, Beehive pays you for every email view through its ad network.
And tool number 5 is Tome AI. It creates business presentations automatically.
You can offer presentation services on Fiverr and earn $20 to $100 per project.
And these 5 AI tools are enough to start earning $100 a day in 2026.